Hello there, lots of tip branch died back on this Dissectum, and it's just a simple matter of doing a little bit pruning on the edge of the branches. The trees died back to here. There's a set of buds here, but those buds don't look too healthy, so I'll prune back to this set of buds here, just a centimetre past, and that little bit there will die back in the coming year, and these two buds will form new branches. Again, another one here, just a matter of leaving a centimetre on. Another example, the same type of die back. Another one here. Easily spotted, totally different colour, as you can see. So it's just a matter of going around the whole tree and leaving half a centimetre, 1 centimetre on for that bit to die back. Next year you can trim it a little bit closer once it's completely dead. Just take your time and enjoy your pruning. It's a good way to learn and get used to the pruning. These are just pruning scissors. They're ideal for these little branches because you can get in nice when it's tight spaces. Again, I sterilised my pruners before I started on this tree. Just a little bit disinfectant water and dried them. So you're going around the whole tree, pruning off all those little tips like this here. And it won't take long, it'll just take about 10 minutes. If I pull back, I'll show you this tree. It's got lots of branches. And as you can see here, this one here, it's just starting to die back, this tip. And it'll continue dying back. So we just snip it back. Sorry, just past these healthy buds. So that's all there is to just removing the dye back. Simple as that, very easy. It'll get you practice with pruning. Now, as you can see, this one here, if I can get in, it's quite old looking wood, this one. So we've got branches at the end here, which is healthy. It's a nice healthy colour, excuse me, with healthy buds. But we have a little branch here, which has come off. There's no buds here and it's dead. So you would think this is possibly dead as well, but the clue is to trace the branch along, and as you can see, it's healthy here, so we take that this is healthy as well. So we just prune off this branch here at that point there, and we just keep an eye on this branch in the coming year. Excuse the noise. So what you'll get is lots of naturally little bits of dye back, and you're just tidying a tree up, and then you can always start on the shape of the tree with cross branches, parallel branches, and thin out the tree if you like, after you've moved the dye back. Once you tidy the tree up, and you will see, as you can see here, most of these branches are nice and healthy. There's hardly any tip dye back. Take it back to there, again lower down, it's quite close to that, so I'll take the nice healthy buds there, and the tree looks a lot better, all this nice healthy colour and not the dead tips that it did have. So that's just simple pruning for you to start practicing with. Bye for now.